The top 10 flight accidents in the world. Lessons learned from tragedy. Hey everyone, VK here. Today we're diving into the top 10 worst plane crashes in history and the crucial lessons learned. These tragedies led to advancements that have made flying safer for all of us. Chapter 1. TWA Flight 800, a spark that ignited change. It's 1996 and TWA Flight 800 is headed for Paris when a massive explosion kills all 230 on board. Initially, theories ranged from terrorist attacks to missiles. The real culprit? A spark from a faulty wire igniting fuel vapors. This led to new regulations mandating changes to fuel tank design, including nitrogen-inerting systems. TWA Flight 800 was a wake-up call about the devastating potential of even a small spark. Chapter 2. Air India Flight 182, a dark day for aviation security, June 23, 1985. Air India Flight 182 is bombed mid-air, killing 329 people. This act of terrorism by Sikh extremists shocked the world. Before this, airport security focused mainly on hijackings. The bombing forced a complete rethink of aviation security. Stricter baggage screening, increased surveillance, and enhanced intelligence sharing were implemented. Air India Flight 182 highlighted the need for a proactive approach to aviation security. Chapter 3. Tenerife Airport Disaster, a collision course of errors, March 27, 1977. Two Boeing 747s collide on the runway in dense fog, killing 583 people. Miscommunications between pilots and air traffic control led to the disaster. This tragedy underscored the importance of clear communication in aviation. The ICAO implemented changes to standardize communication protocols. The goal was to eliminate ambiguity and reduce the risk of misinterpretation. Chapter 4. March 8, 2014. Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 disappears with 239 people on board. Despite an international search, the aircraft vanished without a trace. Theories ranged from mechanical failure to pilot suicide. The disappearance exposed a critical gap in aviation technology, real-time tracking. ICAO adopted new standards for more frequent aircraft tracking. MH370 remains a profound mystery, pushing efforts to improve aircraft tracking. Chapter 5. May 25, 1979. American Airlines Flight 191 crashes after an engine detaches, killing 273 people. The investigation revealed improper maintenance and damaged components. This led to stricter guidelines for engine inspections and enhanced maintenance training. Flight 191 serves as a reminder of the importance of proper maintenance. Even advanced aircraft are only as safe as their maintenance procedures. Chapter 6. December 21, 1988. Pan Am Flight 103 is bombed over Lockerbie, Scotland, killing 270 people. The investigation linked Libyan intelligence operatives to the bombing. This tragedy exposed the vulnerability of commercial aviation to terrorism. Airports worldwide implemented enhanced security measures. The bombing highlighted the need for international cooperation in combating terrorism. Chapter 7. Charki Dadri, Mid-Air Collision, a failure to communicate. November 12, 1996, a Saudi Arabian Airlines Boeing 747 and a Kazakhstan Airlines Ilyushin Il-76 collide mid-air, killing 349 people. Miscommunications and language barriers were key factors. ICAO implemented new standards for air traffic control phraseology. The goal was to reduce the risk of miscommunication in shared airspace. Chapter 8. Egypt Air Flight 990, a tragedy shrouded in controversy. October 31, 1999. Egypt Air Flight 990 crashes into the Atlantic, killing 217 people. The NTSB concluded it was caused by the co-pilot's deliberate actions, but Egypt disputed this. The tragedy sparked a debate about pilot mental health. It highlighted the need for comprehensive screening and support systems for pilots. Flight 990 serves as a reminder of the importance of pilot mental health. Chapter 9, United Airlines Flight 553, A Preventable Tragedy. December 8, 1972, United Airlines Flight 553 crashes while landing, killing 50 people. The investigation revealed errors by the flight crew. This led to enhanced training requirements for pilots, emphasizing instrument flying skills. Flight 553 serves as a reminder of the importance of pilot proficiency and clear communication. Chapter 10, Swissair Flight 111, A Fire in the Sky. September 2, 1998, Swissair Flight 111 crashes into the ocean, killing 229 people. A fire in the aircraft's entertainment system spread rapidly. This tragedy highlighted the dangers of flammable insulation materials. It led to changes in aircraft design to improve fire safety. Outrow Remembering the Fallen, Striving for a Safer Future. These 10 flight accidents represent some of the darkest moments in aviation history. Each tragedy forced the aviation industry to confront its vulnerabilities and strive for improvement. By remembering the past and learning from these tragedies, we honor the victims and contribute to a safer future for air travel. Thank you for joining us on this important journey.